Are you looking for the best office chairs? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best office chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Branch Verve Chair. As a general practice, the armrests on ergonomic office chairs tend to be bulky. Not so with the Branch Verve chair, which stands out with its curvy S-shaped supports that give it some space-Y, extraterrestrial appeal. The Verve is a newer and sportier model from the brand that set out to modernize dated office seating, and boasts a sleek, breathable mesh back and some slender legs with casters for wheeling around the office. Contributor Terry Williams notes that sitting for long periods of time is easy thanks to the V-shaped chair design that provides extra lumbar support. At just a hair shy of $600, this chair is also one of the most affordable picks on the list, so it's a good fit for most people. And one of the most streamlined if you hate the look of typical corporate chairs. I can also adjust the height of the softly padded armrests, the seat depth, the tilt tension, and the padded lumbar support. Williams says of the extra features here that put it into holy grail territory. Number 2. Herman Miller Aeron Chair. There's a reason the Aeron is Herman Miller's most beloved and recognized office chair. The iconic chair is truly supportive and adjustable to fit your ideal comfort zones. Senior digital design editor Zoe Sessom started out with a virtual fitting with an ergonomic expert at Herman Miller, who walked her through all the features. Herman Miller offers an informative online gallery if you can't try out a chair in person. Once the chair was delivered, no assembly required. Sessoms came away impressed with the power of the patented Posture Fit SL back support, which encourages opening up the chest and shoulders, and tilts the pelvis slightly forward. This chair will save your body, she says. It's easy to see why people invest in supreme desk setups. I would recommend the Aeron chair again and again. Number 3. Flexispot OC3B Chair. For a solid office chair at an economical price, the Flexispot OC3B, one of our favorite office chairs on Amazon, is the best of both worlds. The entire chair, back, seat, headrest, is made of breathable mesh, which contributes to air circulation. Although Williams prefers a leather chair, she found the Flexispot to be quite comfortable, even when sitting for a long time. Also, since it has a see-through mesh back, the chair doesn't take up a lot of visual space. The chair can tilt up to 45 degrees, and the height of the seat and armrests can also be adjusted. There's also a nifty clothes hanger on the back of the chair. Number 4. Haworth Breck Office Chair. There's a lot to like about Haworth's Breck chair. Lee reported that it arrived swiftly in a large box that was not difficult to carry inside. The assembly won't leave you frustrated either. You'll find instructions on the flaps of the delivery box, and Haworth has the same manual available on their website, as well as a short video with step-by-step directions. The whole process literally takes less than a couple of minutes before you're ready to put the chair in action. Don't be fooled by the easy assembly process, though, as this office chair is more advanced than meets the eye. I first received the Breck during a heat wave and appreciated the ultra-breathable backrest which allowed a comfortable amount of air to flow through, says Lee. But it's all the adjustable features that stand out to her. Need more tilt? No problem. Wish the armrests were just a tad longer? Easy. Height. Seat depth. Lumbar support. Done, and done. And while these are all perks you would expect from a high-priced chair that costs over $1,000, the Breck supplies them at under $500. Number 5. Vari Task Chair. Vari's entire lineup is full of outstanding office chairs, plus some of the best standing desks, and this chair continues the tradition. Williams recommends the ridiculously comfortable Vari Task Chair to anyone looking for a seat that pampers your glutes. This chair has a super thick foam seat and highly breathable back with great airflow, while the backrest provides lumbar support and pivots. It's got an adjustable tilt mechanism, plus adjustable armrests and adjustable seat height, and all of this adjustability and customization really makes a difference when you're sitting at your workspace for long periods of time, Williams says.